Walmart, big advantage they have is they are, I think, basically the largest grocery retailer in the U.S.
Now what they're saying is, for $98 a year, I'll give you unlimited free delivery of groceries to your home. Sounds like an Amazon Prime membership to me.
Walmart and groceries. Now, the interesting thing with Walmart, one of the reasons why Walmart's e-com initiatives have been able to outperform quarter over quarter over quarter, yes, the marketplace has been powerful and impactful for them, but almost more powerful is the ability to do pickup in store of groceries. And so I'm still now ordering that online, and then someone in Walmart is going, picking up the groceries, bagging them for me, and boom, I just picked that up on my way home. Right. I think maybe 40% of Walmart's revenue is from groceries. So groceries,
it's huge, and it's the reason it's big for them is not just the volume, but that it's a regular purchase. So if I go to Amazon and I'm just buying house supplies, maybe I go there once a month and I do my regular fill up. But if I'm going to Walmart or doing grocery shopping, that's something most people do at least every week, if not multiple times a week. So that's bringing me to Walmart's website if I'm ordering online on a regular basis. That's a big part of why Amazon is going heavily after groceries, is not just the size, but the frequency. Yeah. It's about building that habit of going to Amazon every week and buying groceries and having it come to my front door. Mm-hmm. So Walmart, big advantage they have is they are, I think, basically the largest grocery retailer in the U.S. by some margin. Mm-hmm. And having that retail footprint that they have and ability to handle these kinds of perishable goods and customers coming to them, that in-store pickup has been very powerful, and taking that online traffic that they've been having and then driving it to actually increase in-store revenue. So you've seen at the same time that the online revenue is increasing, this 40% quarter over quarter growth that they've been having. The in-store revenue is also growing in tandem with that, and a lot of that's driven by this in-store pickup because, oh hey, I'm here, I'm picking up my groceries, maybe I need to go get that other thing too at Walmart. I'm already there. It's bringing a lot more foot traffic into the store, really reversing that kind of retail death spiral we've been talking about in some other areas by bringing those two worlds together.
Right. And now what they're saying is, for $98 a year, I'll give you unlimited free delivery of groceries to your home.
Right.
Sounds like an Amazon Prime membership to me.
Yep.
With the back door being grocery.
Yep.
As opposed to kind of the everything store, which is where Amazon
if they're in your home
with
every week delivering you groceries, they can certainly give you just about anything else if you want it. Right. It's right. Walmart. They have a lot of scale. They've got, I think, roughly 100 million SKUs now, 50 million different discrete products, basically. If you're buying groceries from me multiple times a week or at least once a week and you need toilet paper now, why are you going to go to Amazon and get it when I'm already delivering stuff to your house?
Look at this stat. Walmart said it has more than 45,000 personal shoppers helping it pack grocery orders for customers every day. That is more than half the employees that Delta Airlines has total. I think Delta has 80,000 employees. They've got 45,000 people just packing groceries up. Different pay scale, but yeah, just the scale that they have in grocery is definitely not something to be underestimated.
Yeah, I think a lot of it has been made about, I'm Amazon, I'm going to go buy Whole Foods, but there's still like orders of magnitude behind Walmart in terms of their impact on grocery. And the big advantage Walmart has in e-commerce, yes, they're playing a 20-year catch-up game with Amazon, and they've made a lot of strides with that, but they're still way behind. The big thing they do have is all this grocery input and revenue. And if they can transfer that to online, it's going to be very hard for Amazon to overcome that. And Amazon may still be number one in a lot of the other stuff, but it'll be very hard for Amazon to ever really catch up to Walmart on groceries.
Hi, this is Alex Mozed. Thanks for joining us on Winner Take All. If you enjoyed the content today, which I bet you did, please comment, subscribe, and definitely message me on Twitter when we're doing live streams. Also, please note, all opinions expressed about stocks or public companies on the show are exactly that, opinions. This is not investment advice. Don't act on it. WisdomTree licensed Applico's Platform Insights data product to aid in the creation of the PLAT ETF. Thanks for joining us.